Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a convert to a raise while using the totem in a jester configuration. The jester is a releasable block that you can use for rappelling, which is commonly used in canyoneering. Now we can also use this configuration that I'm going to show you in rock climbing, mountaineering, any scenario really where someone's rappelling down a line and you need to then convert to raise them up. So what's great about the jester is you have enough line for them to rappel down on, but you have the remainder of your rope stored away in a rope bag up top. Now this can also be used when doing a top rope belay for rock climbing. If the totem is being used in the plaquette mode, you can use that as a progress capture, and you can create a 4-to-1 pig rig using the remainder of your rope to piggyback onto the main line and raise them up while using the jester or a plaquette to act as progress capture and take out the slack as you raise them, and then you can do a reset and continue hauling. So the great thing about this is it uses minimal gear. When you're climbing or canyoneering, you typically aren't walking around with some pulleys, but you do have several carabiners available. So we're going to be using 3 HMS style carabiners. These are Rock Exotica Pirates. I like them and recommend them because they have the round stock, which reduces a lot of friction and a mechanical advantage if you're to use carabiners instead of pulleys. So we will also be using a tib-lock as the rope grab, and we will need about 10, 15, 20 feet of extra rope, which we'll be using the other side of this rope that they're rappelling on, depending on the length of throw that you want or the room that you have available for your hauling system. We're going to make this pretty small so that it all fits within the screen. So first thing you want to do is take a bunch of your slack of your rope past the safety knot, and you're going to want to measure out where you want your hauling system to take place, how much throw you're going to want, and you're going to want to have enough slack as not to interfere with your safety knot. So I'm going to take a bite and I'm going to measure it out, going back on itself, creating another bite where you want your rope grab to be, and then bringing it back so that you can tie a knot and attach it into the bottom of the totem. Okay, so we'll be working within this area. So now I'm going to tie a figure 8 on a bite. Make sure you have a nice small knot to reduce the amount of gain in your system. Tie that knot into the bottom of your totem. Okay, so now you will have one strand for your first 2-to-1 and your other strand for your second 2-to-1 that will tie in and create a 4-to-1. So now I'll place my tib-lock, attach my first carabiner, throw my first line in there. Okay, and I can now tie an alpine butterfly loop for the rope grab for my second 2-to-1. Make sure that there's as small of a loop as possible so that you're maximizing all the rope you have. So I have a 2-to-1. I'll tie in, create my second 2-to-1. Now I have a 2-to-1 pulling on another 2-to-1, making it a compound 4-to-1. So now I will pull on this strand while just tending this strand. Okay. Tie that off. Dogging it off, basically. Now I can take out all that slack. Now I can reset my system again. Extend that out and haul. Dog it off. Slip half hitch, second half hitch. Take slack out. See how quick and easy that is. Can be done with one person. And there you have it. That is a 4-to-1 pig rig using simply carabiners and a tib lock, gear that you would find on any climber, canyoneer, mountaineer's harness. Super easy to set up, can be managed by one person, and you can haul your buddy back up to your belay station and be the hero. Thanks for watching.